Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. And if you're new here, welcome to the PlanTito channel. I'm your PlanTito Earl. And if you notice, there's something a bit different about our setup today. And there's also something different about how I'm talking. I'm not usually talking a little bit louder. So today, we are going to do some potting. Or I'm going to pot something for you guys. Let's be a little more action oriented, but with a slightly unique twist. We're gonna pot everything in an ASMR way. Now, I'm sure all of you, or most of you, are already familiar of what ASMR is. It's audio sensory something something. I typed it down on the video. I forgot to do that part of this video, or research on that part of this video. I'm whispering right now, and now I am going to fully whisper, which is a bit more difficult than just speaking, in a lower voice. What to do is we're going to pot this baby Monstera deliciosa. This is about 3 or 4 months already, and it has a lot of fruits. It's so ready to pot, if you can see it. Yeah, so it's ready to go into soil. And of course, I'm going to show you everything that we need in order to make sure that this little baby grows up to be a big Monstera. Sorry, I'm sweaty. I can't turn off the fan, or I can't turn on the fan. And it's a warm, bright day today. I still have lights on. Yeah, bear with me if I'm sweaty. So we're gonna pot this and in an ASMR way, so you'll hear every sound. I'll also show you the instructions, but generally you'll have sound. So there, I'm going to show you the things that we'll need. Again, our Monstera deliciosa. This is a 4-inch pot. 4 inches. 4 inches. The diameter is 4 inches. And we're going to need this little thing, this shuffle. I don't know what it's called. Hindi ko pa nalala what yun. Spade. Joke. like this video, please hit the like button. And if you want me to do more ASMRs, sorry, it's really loud. I told you it's a high traffic area and a very, very noisy neighbor whose voice is much louder than mine. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Let me know in the comments if you want to continue doing this.